Welcome to NLC Garden Products. Today we'll show you how easy it is to build your pond with our step-by-step guide. You'll need a battery drill, tape measure, spirit level, white rubber mallet and a Stanley knife. You'll also need a wood saw, but don't worry just yet. We'll specify exactly when you'll need to use this. Our pond kit includes all the screws and drill bits you need. We use a standard screw kit across our range, so if you see extra screws, don't worry, it's normal. This build only requires one person, and if you've got basic DIY skills, this should take around 4 to 6 hours. We recommend building this on a hard standing area such as pavers, decking or concrete. Step 1. Build the base frame. Start by placing the 2 half logs opposite each other and slot the 2 full logs into there to form the base shape of your pond. The 2 half logs will be labelled bottom. Step 2. Build the walls. Using a white rubber mallet, gently tap the log in place, ensuring a tight fit without marking the wood. Then, pre-drill the pilot holes and secure the log with 2 150mm screws vertically. Once all standard logs are in place, fit the logs labelled top to complete the structure. Pond logs of 2.4 metres and 3 metres will require an extra screw in the centre. Step 3. Install the cross members. Measure and cut the base cross members to size using your wood saw. Fix each one in place from the outside of the pond using 2 150mm screws at each end. Please note, larger ponds of 3 metres by 2.4 metres will require 3 cross members and 2 posts. Step 4. Large ponds only. Fit the support posts. Hold each post upside down against the outside of the pond, mark the height, then cut to size. Position them upright and secure from the inside using 2 120mm screws into each log. Step 5. Use a tape measure and spirit level to ensure your pond is level and square. Step 6. Secure the underlay. Staples are recommended for this. Step 7. Fit the liner. This may require some patience. We recommend using hospital corners to fold in place, leaving a 600mm overhang that you can trim off later. Add roughly 300mm of water to the pond to help shape the liner naturally. Step 8. Fold the liner over the edges, then secure it using the timber fixings with 70mm screws. Trim away any excess liner with a Stanley knife. Step 9. Fit the pond top pieces, positioning all 4 first before fixing them in place. Once aligned, secure each with 3 to 470mm screws. Step 10. Finally, you can fill your pond with water. If you've upgraded to a butyl box welded liner, this will drop straight into place. No cutting or folding required. Voila, it's that simple!